Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel CivTech Simplified. Today I am presenting part 6 of our ongoing video series on concrete technology. We will be presenting 25 multiple choice questions for your next exam in this part, and this would be the last part for concrete technology series. These questions will help civil engineers like you prepare for the competitive exams, job interviews and university tests. All the correct answers have been highlighted to help you review effectively. So let's get started with the today's topic. Question number 126. Which are the physical properties of aggregate? Option A is toughness. Option B is hardness. Option C is compressive strength. Option D is none of the above. Which are the physical properties of the aggregate? Option A is toughness, B is hardness, C is compressive strength, none of the above. So none of them is the physical property of the aggregate, but these are the mechanical properties. So option D is the correct answer, none of the above. Question number 127. Which is the mechanical property of the aggregate? Option A is hardness, option B is shape, option C is density, option D is specific gravity. Now you see option A is hardness, which is the mechanical property, while option B shape, option C density, and option C density and option D specific gravity. These three are the physical properties of the aggregate. So the mechanical property is only one, option A, which is hardness. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 128. Which is the physical properties of the aggregate? Option A is toughness, option B is hardness, option C is shape, option D is compressive strength. So the physical property out of these four is shape. Toughness is mechanical property, hardness is mechanical property, compressive strength is also a mechanical property of the aggregate. So the physical property out of available options is option C, which is shape. So C is the correct answer for this question. 129. Which are the physical properties of the aggregate? Option A is water absorption. Option B is specific gravity. Option C is moisture content. Option D is all of the above. So all these are the physical properties of the aggregate. Water absorption, specific gravity, as well as moisture content. So option D, which is all of the above, is the correct answer for this question. Then we have question number 130. How many blows are given in the toughness test of coarse aggregate? How many blows are given in the toughness test of the coarse aggregate? Option A is 25, option B is 20, option C is 15, option D is 10. So 15 is the correct answer for this question and option C is the correct one. So we have to do 15 blows for the toughness test of coarse aggregate. Question number 131. How many revolutions are given in the absorption value test? Option A is 50 to 100, option B is 500 or 1000, option C is 500 to 1000, option D is any of the above. So option B, 500 or 1000 is the correct answer for the abrasion value test. Option B is correct for this question. 132. How many revolutions are given in the abrasion value test per minute? Option A is 500, option B is 1000, option C is 30 to 33, option D is 500 or 1000. How many revolutions are given in the abrasion value test per minute. So option C is the correct answer for this question, which is 30 to 33. Option C is correct. 133. Which sieve is used to check impact value? Which sieve is used to check the impact value of aggregate? Option A is 4.75. Option B is 2.36. Option C is 1.7. Option D is 150 micron. So to check the impact value, the sieve used is 2.36. Option B is the correct answer for this question. 134. Which sieve is used to check abrasion value test? Or which sieve is used to check the abrasion value? Option A is 4.75. Option B is 2.36. Option C is 1.7. And option D is 150 micron. So the sieve used to check the abrasion value is 1.7. Option C is the correct answer for this question. 135. Which sieve is used to check the crushing value? To check the crushing value of aggregate, the sieve used is 2.36. Option A is 4.75. Option B is 2.36. Option C is 1.7. And option D is 150 micron. So 2.36 is the correct answer, which is option B. We use sieve, which is 2.36, to check the crushing value. 136. Density of aggregate is a ratio of option A, volume versus mass. Option B, mass versus volume. Option C, liter versus kg. None of the above. So the density of the aggregate is the ratio of mass versus volume. Option B is the correct answer for this question. 137. Which is acceptable grading? Which one is acceptable grading? Option A is uniform grading. Option B is continuous grading. Option C is gap grading. Option D is any of the above. So the acceptable grading is gap grading. Option C is the correct answer for this question. 138. Which is best accelerator for from the following? Which is the best accelerator from the following? Option A is calcium chloride. Option B is gypsum. Option C is aluminium powder. Option D is sugar. Which is the best accelerator out of the following? So calcium chloride is the best accelerator out of these options. So option A is the correct answer for this question. 139. Admixtures are the materials used in concrete to modify its properties in option A, plastic stage. Option B, hardened stage. Option C, plastic or hardened stage. Option D, none of the above. The admixtures are the materials used in concrete to modify its properties in plastic or hardened stage. Option C is the correct answer for this question. 140. Which is the mineral admixture out of the following? Which is the mineral admixture? Option A, water reducing. Option B, silica fumes. Option C, plasticizer. Option D, super plasticizer. So the mineral admixture out of these is silica fumes. Option B is the correct answer for this question. 141. Which is the chemical admixture? Option A is fly ash. Option B is silica fumes. Option C is retarders. Option D is rice husk ash. So the chemical admixture out of these is retarders. Option C is the correct answer for this question. 142. Which is the mineral admixture? Option A, accelerators. Option B, super plasticizer. Option D is plasticizer. None of the above. So none of them is the mineral admixture. Which is the chemical admixture? Fly ash, silica fumes, rice husk. None of the above. So none of the above is the correct answer. D is the correct answer for this question. Fly ash is the byproduct from combustion of. So how we get fly ash? We get fly ash with the combustion of coal. Option A is fine aggregate. Option B is cement. Option C is coal. Option D is all of the above. Fly ash is byproduct from the combustion or burning of coal. Option C is the correct answer for this question. 145. The average size of the fly ash is. What is the average size of the fly ash? Option A is 4.75 mm. Option B is 150 microns. Option C is 90 microns. Option D is 20 microns. The average size of fly ash is option D, 20 microns. So D is the correct answer for this question. 146. Concrete technology is used for civil engineers because it allows them to. Option A, know how to appropriately stock the material needed for concrete. Option B, conduct various concrete tests. Option C, familiarize them with the fundamental principles of concrete. Option D, all of the above. The concrete technology is useful for civil engineers because it allows them to know how to appropriately stock the materials needed for concrete and conduct various concrete tests, as well as familiarize them with the fundamental principles of the concrete. So all these options are correct, and D is the correct answer for this question, which is all of the above. 147. Who is the father of concrete technology? Who is the father of concrete technology? Option A, William Aspdin. B, Royston St. John. Option C, Joseph Aspdin. Option D, all of the above, or none of the above. So option A, William Aspdin is the correct answer. He was the father of concrete technology. So A is the correct answer for this question. 148. Which type of concrete is classified based on the design of concrete? Which type of concrete is classified based on the design of concrete? Option A is plain cement concrete. Option B, reinforced cement concrete. Option C is pre-stressed concrete. Option D, all of the above. So all these are the classifications of the concrete based on the basis of the design. Therefore, option D, all of the above, is the correct answer for this question. 149. How many basic types of concrete are there? So being engineer, you should be knowing these fundamental questions. How many basic types are there for concrete? Option A is 20 types. Option B is 24 types. Option C is 22 types. Option D is 21 types. So the basic types of the concrete are 24. Option B is the correct answer for this question. There are 24 types of the concrete. Then we have question number 150 and the last question for this video part, as well as last question for concrete technology topic. For a compressive strength of 3000 psi, the lightweight cement content is dash pounds per cubic yard. For a compressive strength of 3000 psi, the lightweight cement content is dash pound per cubic yard. Option A, 400 to 590. Option B, 440 to 560. Option C, 430 to 560. Option D is 730 to 750. So for compressive strength of 3000 psi, the lightweight cement content should be 440 to 560 pound per cubic yard. So option B is the correct answer for this question. So thank you very much for watching our videos and especially this concrete technology series. With the completion of part 6, now we are ending this topic. Hopefully, we will be coming back with other important topics and their videos. And we are sure that these are helping professional engineers, fresh engineers, and people who are preparing themselves for Punjab Public Service Commission exam, Federal Public Service Commission exam, or KP Public Service Commission exam, or Sindh Public Service Commission exam in Pakistan, as well as SSC, JE, RRB, etc. in India, and any sort of the job interviews or state level exams in India. So please subscribe to our channel CivTech Simplified for upcoming important videos, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. Thank you very much. These are the links where you can subscribe to our channel at YouTube as well as TikTok. Thank you and goodbye.